What's up, guys? Today we'll be opening bubble capsules 241 and yeah, just 241. Just joking. We have more accounts. I haven't done this. But yeah, we're just gonna be opening them all. What do you mean I can't open that at the same time? Okay, let's do this first. Oh no, that's too much. I forgot to buy. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. I need an auto clicker. So I'm not gonna do an auto clicker. I am the auto clicker. So I am gonna use an auto clicker, not gonna lie. Mouse Recorder Pro 2. What's going on? Fail. Okay. I don't care. Okay. That's an auto clicker done. Oh, we got a baby Cheryl. It's gonna take like a couple minutes. Part 2 is gonna come out soon. What? Okay. Who wants the challenge today? I think we're gonna see these people again because part 2 will be inside. Okay, I don't know. I maybe see these people again. I don't know because it's just about luck. Wait, I got a secret. It's trash. Also, guys, if I say anything about the bubble thing, that means I just forgot that I made a video about the bubbles in part, which is part 1, which is right now. So yeah, I'm sorry, I just forget. I'm literally going crazy now. Also, this is not, and I mean not, even, I'm not joking, this is not even the 241. Not even the account with 241, that's a lot. I can't even explain how much mythical I get. And also, this is my owl. Where are we? Where are we on? Like, 98, 80, 70, 75? What is it? 68? I don't even know how much we opened. Yeah. Nah. Nah. I'm gonna go maybe explore my house again. Okay. Next video, by the way, guys, it's a spoiler. We're gonna try to get the sea bear. Sea bear! Sea bear! Yo, we just got a secret. Guys, if you wanna get sea bear, who wanna try to get sea bear, who wanna try to get sea right now? What is he saying? We're gonna go. BRB. Oh, my friend is here. Let me just say hi to him. There now. And to do it again. Oopsies. I forgot that's not my account. Okay. Okay. Time to get back to my. Oops. I have an autoclick there. And autoclick. Legendary! Oh! Okay, I need to do my. Nah. Let's finish. Once. 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 Why am I keyboard? But that's not saying the same thing. Once. Yeah, this is the time I want it uncommon because I want mayonnaise. Is mayonnaise an instrument? No, we didn't get mayonnaise. Down where you want turn up so loud. Where shoulder. Okay, I'm literally gonna go AFK now. Also guys, this video is long. How much do we have left? 24? 30? I don't even know anymore. Seriously, let's go. I think we have opened like 90, which means we have 10. Which means we have 9 now. There's 91. Tomato, tomato. 92. And we have 8 left. If we recharge it. 93. Wait, that's what it is. I don't know if I'm even on the right number. 94. Means we have 6 left. 95. Means we have 5 left. Wow. I don't even remember if that was a 96 or 97. TV gamers. I don't even know what they are. I think we have left. Now we have 1, I think. I don't know. I do not know. Oh, we do not have 1 left. We have like 10 left. Like 10? 10? I don't know. 9 then. It's 10 then 9. 8. 6. I'm 7. I don't even know. 6. Finally. 5. Finally. Oh, my friends are here. My friends are here. Literally. 2 of my friends are here. Umadi and this guy. But I'm doing a video. Well, it's okay. After all, this is quite fun. Well, we're gonna make it look going crazy now. I didn't know. Okay. Okay, speaking technology. Bro! It's the Dark Whisper, finally. It's called my mind. You know. We're just playing. Yep, we're gonna see how much I have. What's up? Who's that? Bro, we have 10 supplies. And I clicked the wrong thing. Okay, so after 8 more. Yeah. Let's go. 7 more. Yeah. Let's go. 6 more. Yeah. Let's go. 5 more. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, I'm going crazy now. I just want to go for my account. I have 54. We're doing, I think, around 3, 2. I don't even know it. Okay, this is the last one. Yep, we were on 3, no 2. Okay, we can finally go. Looks like, okay, this is my Dark Whisper, obviously. Now, we're not gonna do this again this time. I guess